we'll talk about how can you replay to you on your Tumblr app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, so you just go above this sign, you click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, you just click on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on replace here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you click on this sign here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and here can you choose who can replay to you. If you want to add everyone can replay, or chambers only you follow here, or only chambers you follow can replay, or here following your for on 1 week can replay here. Here can you select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.